Hi, boys and girls. I am so excited that you are going to do this activity. You're going to get to use your five senses and look at the objects or smell the objects and decide what they are just by using your senses. So, in your first thing, you're going to use your sense of smell. So, you're going to look at your cup and smell inside of it and then put the cup on the picture that you think matches it. So if you smell cup one and you think it smells like oranges, put your cup number one on the orange. And then whenever you're all done, you can look at the answer key and see if you're right. If you're going to do the hearing, you're going to go ahead and shake the tin and see if you can figure out what's inside of the tin just by using your sense of hearing. The next thing that you're going to do is you get to decide what the things in the balloons are just by using your sense of touch. So you're going to match the balloons just like you did with the cups and the tin and feel what's inside of it and then put those balloons on the picture that matches what it feels like. Then you're going to look with your eyes in the pie tin, mix the shaving cream and colors, and see what happens. I can't wait for you to do this and to learn more about just how amazing your senses are, how you can describe things just using your senses and figure more things out. Great job getting this far, Stallions. I'm so proud of you.